Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Amy coming to you for another lunchtime inspiring moment. I hope you are doing well today. It's another beautiful Monday and the start of our work week. So today on this Monday, I want to talk about setting your intentions for the week. But something that came across my heart to talk about today is talking about intentions, but really asking you if you are honoring your calling and your God-given gifts. Are you honoring your calling and your God-given gifts? Are you? So first of all, let me just say that you have to believe that whatever it is you're desiring in your heart, you have to believe that it's going to happen for you. And I want to remind you that setting intentions is a powerful practice that can help guide your mind, guide your actions, and bring clarity to your life. So by consciously setting intentions, you can create a roadmap for achieving your goals and to align your actions with your purpose and your calling. So you have to first identify that. What's your calling? What's your assignment? What are your God-given gifts? Do you know that if I walked up to you and say, hi, what are your God-given gifts? What are you good at? Those are things that you want to identify and know. And also understanding your calling and taking action towards achieving that and reaching that and doing that purpose. It can actually, indeed, it can just bring a sense of joy, a sense of purpose, and a sense of fulfillment to your life. So I know what my purpose is. I know what my assignment is. I am going to inspire, I'm going to train, and I'm going to develop as many people as I can. I am going to pour into whoever wants that help. That's my calling. That's my special gift. What's yours? What's yours? So what I want to do today, I want to slow down a little and give you a strategy, or I call some pro tips that you can use that I think that can help you to honor your calling and your God-given gifts. So pull out a piece of paper and jot some things down and let me know what do you feel about this. So I want to give you, I think I have 3 or 4 things that I have written down here that I want to share with you. But the number one thing that I want you to write down on your piece of paper to connect with and to honor your calling and your God-given gift is to stay connected with your intention, right? That's something that's very important. How do you do that? You regularly on a regular basis, revisit and reaffirm your intentions to ensure that you're staying on track. And how do you do that? You journal. Get a journal and write things down. Journal by using visualization techniques. Start to vision cast. Really start to think about and imagine yourself in that future place doing what it is in your heart you really want to do. So journal, use visualization techniques, and then meditate. That's your way. I always say for me, meditation, we pray, and that's what we tell God, ask God for what we want. And then meditation is where you just get quiet and you listen and you can receive the messages that are coming back to you. So journal, visualization, meditation. All right. So stay connected with your intention. And when you stay connected with your intentions, you'll be more likely to make decisions and take action that align with your true purpose or your divine purpose, whatever that is. So that's number one. Now, the second thing that I think is very important to honor your calling and your special gift is to identify and embrace your God-given gifts, right? Recognize and embrace your unique God-given gift. And these qualities can be utilized to serve your higher purpose, your divine purpose, and explore ways to apply your gifts in a meaningful and impactful way. Can you imagine that You're getting up every day and you're doing what you absolutely love. And I don't know, many of you could be doing that on your 9 to 5 job. You could be doing what you absolutely love, but you still can find a way to identify and embrace your God-given gifts. So that's the second thing that I want to say to you. And then third, embrace challenges and setbacks. Now, I'm going to say to you, we all have challenges in life. There are things that's happened to us. Like I honored my mom's heavenly birthday. Think about being 19 and losing one of the most important people in your life. So you got to find ways to bounce back and don't let these challenges and setbacks keep you down. You have to find a way to bounce back from those things, right? Challenges and setbacks are inevitable. They're going to happen. They're going to happen to me. They're going to happen to you, but they can also be valuable learning opportunities and learning lessons. So embrace them as stepping stones towards your growth, your development, and your resilience, my friend. Let's find ways to bounce back. And remember to be kind. I always say be kind to yourself, right? When you're going through things, and practice self-compassion and self-love during challenging times. Please don't forget to do that. So here's the fourth thing that I want to say that's very important: to recognize and honor your God-given gift. Surround yourself with a supportive and positive community, right? Surround yourself with positive people. Seek out positive communities. If you can find that in your family, great. If you can't find it in your family, get around friends and associates, church group, whatever, that are positive must be, and supportive. So seek out mentors and coaches or like-minded individuals who can provide guidance, who can provide encouragement and inspire you along the way. So surround yourself with a supportive community and share your journey. Share your journey with other people, and that can also help you to stay motivated. Like in this community, we're all about positive and I say living that life by design. So even something as simple, start putting some things in the chat and let me know and let others know, what are you up to? What are you aspiring for? What have you done that's great, right? Share that. And to accomplish all of this, take some time out to reflect on your desires, your passions, your aspiration, and your God-given gift, and what you are good at. Now, here's what I'm going to say to you. So many people are great at things and they have dreams inside of their hearts, but they're not taking action. I want to say to you, if you want to sing, sing. With the social media today, get online and sing. And let me say this to you. If you can sing, guess what you probably can also do? You can teach somebody else. You probably have that gift within you. Don't hoard it. Share it. Share it with someone else. Impact others' life. So ask yourself these 3 things. Jot this down. What's your calling? I see Wanda Lewis Brown. Hi, thanks for joining me live. What's your calling? What brings you joy and fulfillment? And what do you truly enjoy doing? That's your assignment, my friend. That's your gift. That's your gift. That's the gift that God gave to you for you to share in abundance with the world. Do something with it. And once you know your calling and you have identified it, then I'm going to challenge you to go out and do it. Share it with the world. Start with the world. Start from where you are right now. You don't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. Just share your gifts. Like I said, if you want to sing, sing. If you want to be a motivational speaker, start motivating people. If you want to eventually leave your 9-to-5 job, start now. Start prepping and building up the momentum for when that day is going to come. It could be 5 years from now. I was just talking with a friend of mine before I got on this live, and they're looking at 5 years out, right? Leaving that 9-to-5 job So what can you do today to get prepped up and build up that momentum? Because it's the small things that's going to keep you smiling and put that joy on your face when you're working today to get to where you want to get to later. Could be 5 years from now. Could be 10 years from now. It could be 18 months from now. Start now prepping and building up the momentum. All right. And once you have a clear understanding of your calling and your assignment, it's important to break those things down into actionable steps. We are getting older, my friends. It's time for us to be truly doing the things that make our hearts sing, doing the things that truly bring us joy. And I can guarantee you that something that you're good at, you can help somebody else at it. And God gave us these gifts. You can then monetize that. People will pay you to help them do what you are good at, right? Did you know that? You can possibly start some type of side business doing exactly what you are good at. So start today. Start doing what's really inside of your heart. So after you do that, you break down those things into actionable steps, then create a plan for how you can go from today to 6 months out, how you can go from 6 months out to a year out, and then 18 months out. And if you don't know how to do that, engage somebody who can help you, right? Whatever amount of money you invest in yourself today for a coach, a guide, a trainer, trust and believe that ROI, that return on investment, is going to be so much more and so much higher tomorrow. What I always say here, remember what we're doing, we're planting and we're building the seed, planting the seeds today, right? And we got to plant those seeds on fertile ground. And why are we doing that? For the harvest that's going to come tomorrow. When is tomorrow? Whenever. That could be 1 year, 5 years, 10 years from now. But you have to plant on fertile ground today. You have to build on a solid foundation today to truly get that harvest that you're hoping for tomorrow. And if you're not hoping for anything, this is where I want to impart on you that you should be hoping and dreaming still for something else. We're not too old for that. Still keep that dream alive, my friend. Keep your dream alive to do the things that you truly have inside of your heart. And if you're doing it, then take it to another level. Let me push you a little bit more to take that to the next level. What is that next level for you? What is that next level for you? If you're listening to me, think about that. What is the next level for you? All right. So in closing, what I want to say to you is remember to set those intentions. Discover your calling and take action starting today, right? Towards living out all of those dreams. And this is an ongoing process. It requires self-reflection, looking back on what worked for me yesterday, but no longer working today. What was I doing yesteryears that's no longer making me feel good today? And then make changes. Prepare today. Keep the faith. Keep the faith to know that what your dreams are not too big for you, that you can put some things in place today to reach those dreams tomorrow. Keep persevering. And what I want to say to you, enjoy the journey along the way. All right, that's something that's important. So I say to everybody who's listening to my voice, let's go. Let's do it. Let's make some changes. Let's elevate all of us. I don't want to do this by myself. I want you and you and you and you to come along so we all can experience joy and be happy. And I like to say joy more than happy, because we know happiness comes and goes. But what about that internal peace and that joy? That's what I want all of my community to enjoy. So I said, let's go. I am Dr. Amy Himes, and I am here to help you to reset your mindset, develop your skill set, and get on board, my friends, to live out all of those dreams that's inside your heart. Let's go. Let's go. And let's go. Be intentional. Set your intention for the week so this week can be great, my friends. And I'll see you right back here the next time. You be blessed. Bye-bye.